studio where we once had an attraction called the Ice Tunnel, which was featured in an episode of The $6 Million Man, starring Lee Majors with Andre the Giant as Bigfoot. And the tram would climb to an imaginary elevation of 12,000 feet, and the only way to get back to the theme park was through the Ice Tunnel. Now, my friends, that attraction is long gone. So instead, we're going to go a little bit fast and a little bit furious for our big finale here, Fast and the Furious Supercharged. Okay, you guys, two quick things. No classes yet. No, I was like putting them on? Not yet, my friend. Hang on to them. I'll let you know when to put them on. But remember to stay seated, just like always. If you look on your left-hand side, we've got some cool vehicles in here. We're going to go deep undercover into the world of the Fast and the Furious. Now, if we're going to make it, we have to talk to one of the good guys, right? One of the good guys, his name is Hobbs. You might know him as The Rock. We're going to see him later on. But first, here's my friend Roman Pierce. Roman, if you're here, introduce yourself.
My name is Roman Pierce. Pleased to meet you. My buddy Hobbs asked us to stash you in Shaw for a while. So we brought you in our secret spot.
All right, look, guys, we're gonna keep Shaw from finding you, but to keep you safe, we need your help. We don't want the syndicate tracking us here, so put away your cameras and turn off your cell phones. One flash or one ringtone can give us away.
I need y'all to take this real serious.
Okay, go into the next bay and meet you in there.
I'll tell you what, my friends, you can keep your cameras and cell phones out. Just make sure they're nice and dark. Just no bright recording lights, no flash photography. Other than that, you're fine. But still, no classes. No classes yet. The next room is not in 3D, but there is a part going on in there. And we are going to crash it. So once these doors open, I want you to look on your right-hand side. No classes, but if you want to dance in your seats and embarrass the people that you're sitting with, I am 100% on board with that. Yes, I want to see some boobs. All right, you guys, let's get these doors open. The party has already started.
FBI, don't move. Damn, that's right, party's over.
You know how long I took to iron this shirt, man? I'm not...
You're under arrest right now.
Ladies, just back up a little bit. Got it. It's lightweight.
First of all, I don't work for you. Oh, really? Well, tell me, Roman, who do you work for?
We don't work for nobody. Cop, I suggest you clear out of here, otherwise we can't guarantee your safety.
Guarantee my safety? I'm the one holding the gun.
Yeah, but mine's a whole lot bigger than yours.
Hobbs, escort this goblet out.
Let's go, Cookie Puss.
Got an ugly suit on, man. It's cheap.
Somebody out there really pissed off Shaw. It's gonna get ugly fast.
Yeah, don't worry. Lucky for you, our whole family will protect you.
Are you kidding me, Roman? You didn't shut off your phone, bro?
I gotta call you back. I'm in the middle.
See what I'm talking about?
Call you back.
Man.
It was on vibrate. Shaw traced us. Hobbs can't hold it forever. Letty, Roman, we're up. Driver, move that vehicle. It's about to get real interesting. My Mona Lisa's all warmed up right next door.
Roman, grab your truck. I need you and Letty ready to go.
All right, my friends, guess what? It is finally time to put those 3D glasses back on. That's right. It is time for 3D glasses if you choose to wear them. So put them on if you want. Remember to stay seated. Keep those cameras and cell phones nice and dark. Hold on tight. This is the big finale.
Speak now or you all get fried!
This is our turn.
After them!
Okay, guys, it's showtime. Hobbs, come to the left. This thing ain't moving fast enough. Roman, Letty, hook him up. Now we're moving.
Look out! You give me the witness, Toretto, and we call it a day! The witness is mine, Letty!
How about you eat asphalt?
Don't think you're getting away! Find the doors!
Way to go, Letty.
Don't run out of the missile shot!
Not gonna happen. Don't worry, I got this. Roman, don't shoot his head from the bridge. Under construction. Everybody hold on. Hit the nitrous.
We're not gonna make it!
Ride or die.
All right, my friends, to wrap things up, once again, here is Jimmy Fallon with a brand new video.
If you want to watch the full version, click this video on the left, or want to watch a video that recommends for you, click this video on the right. Finally,